Okay guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv. Today we are in the kitchen and we're trying some KFC fried chicken. Check out and let's see what's popping. We have some chicken over here we're washing. We're gonna get them nice and clean up. We already put some vinegar on them and we are getting ready to put them in a bowl. We're making some KFC drumstick. Okay, let's strain them off. Yeah, this what's going on. Some fried chicken today. KFC style. Trying to recreate that general chicken. So, that's what my chicken looks like.
Okay guys, so you know we gotta put some egg to coat our chicken. Get some egg, so we're going and put some egg on our KFC design. Fried chicken, drumstick style, you know what's popping. We're trying to do some Colonel fried chicken. Who doesn't like KFC fried chicken? Home style, home cook style. How many eggs? 3 eggs. Okay guys, we're still making that KFC. First of all, we're gonna get some flour over here. Put a little flour. Remember, we're trying something new today. So don't judge me if I'm not doing it the way you used to it or the way you've seen it before. We're doing something new. KFC, you know what's popping. Alright, some paprika. This is some paprika, guys. You know KFC always, you know, advertise their paprika and thing on their flour. So let's put some paprika in here. How much should we put in here? A lot? What do you think? That should be good? Alright, that's a lot of paprika.
Yes guys, with our eggs in here. So we're gonna just go ahead and just switch through with our egg. We ain't gonna do it like that, what's that old man on Village Food Factory? Is that what it's called? Village Food Factory with all them chickens and stuff. They got like 100 chicken, you know, like chicken legs like crazy. I like old man. So it's an old Indian man. He put his hands in there and he mixed them in. I mean, I like his show though. It's kind of funny. Feeding all them village kids. And who don't help that but the kids, you know, with cooking all that chicken. All right, so I saw what he does again. He put the eggs in there, right? Put the eggs in there, and he switch it around. And what else? What's the next step? Okay, so we know. okay, some Jackie Chan stuff right going on right now. Okay, all right. So listen. Next thing. What is the next? What's the next thing again? Little black pepper. Okay. Little black pepper. Here we go. Little black pepper. This is the price, right? Shit, I hope that's not too much. Alright, we got some black pepper in our season. And I hope we're not missing anything. Okay, let me switch this around. Hey guys, we're making KFC style drumstick, okay? We want them to come out crispy and scrumptious. So we gotta do it like that. Should we put sugar in there? Do we need sugar? No, I don't think that sugar go in it. Hold on. We're missing some ingredients. What it is again? Okay, chicken looks good. They all glazed in this yellow egg yolk. Looking good. Chicken. I like to store my own oil. Who added the oil? I can't find the oil, guys. The oil is hidden. I can't find the oil. Look, I got the pot ready and I can't find the oil. What's going on? Hey then, you know what the oil is? I'm ready to light the stove and no oil. Alright, tell you what. Give me a second, guys. Let me think about it. Okay, where do I put the oil? Okay guys, we're back in the kitchen and we are still making that KFC chicken. This is my first time trying home style KFC and you know what's popping. It's gonna be looking good in the real life. First thing first, let's get a little bit of seasoning on my chicken. Okay, let's put a little seasoning on this chicken. I'm using the all-purpose chicken season here. I don't think the Colonel use that, right? All-purpose chicken season, just like that. And let's stir this up. Stir this up. Give it a good stir. Smelling good, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The drumstick ain't gonna do no more jumping. The drumstick ain't gonna do no more jumping. Hey man, there's some fat drumstick though. Yeah, they must be overeating in the crib. This chicken out of luck. This chicken out of luck. This chicken gonna be popping in the oil. Hold on, let me put my oil on. Get this thing going. I forgot the stove ain't even turned on yet. Okay, let's go. Oh, there we go. Some flame. That's what I'm talking about. Let's put some oil in here so it can get hot. I know it's fried chicken, so we gotta put a good amount of oil, right? That should be good enough. We're gonna be having some fried Colonel KFC chicken. All right, guys? All right, guys, a while ago, my oil started to pop. I thought it was like a 4th of July. It was like a fireworks going on in the pot. I don't know what's going on, but it was just popping. I'm talking about popping. Okay, oil is popping every day. So anyway, my chicken's looking good. It's all seasoned up. It's ready to go. Yep. Original KFC chicken. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. All right, I think it's about time. Let's check the temperature on the oil. See what time it is. Okay. First, we're gonna put on. What was that? I feel this oil is popping. Hey, look. All right, we gotta be scared of that thing. That thing's like a time bomb going on over there. Okay, I'm get scared of that thing. Okay, so first thing first, let's take a jump stick. We ain't gonna do no more jumping. Okay, and we'll turn the fire down. Let's keep that thing hot up in here. Okay. Somebody gonna call the fire truck. It's gonna get too hot up in there. Okay. Get the chicken all looking good. Chicken all looking good. Okay, that's about right. Okay. And now that our chicken is all floured up, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in the oil. Let's see what happened over here. Our first KFC style chicken. Oh shikes! It's frying. Okay, first one down. More to go. Okay, let's get it dipped in that egg. Yeah, get it all wet in here. Drop it over here. Get it all floured up, just like that. Our famous Yardman style KFC chicken. Yep. Good to go. All right. This one looks good. It's ready to go. It's all been rolling around the flour. Looking like a chicken with the head cut off. Okay, let's put it over here. Okay. Put another one in there. Okay, this one looks like it's ready to go. Flour it up. Okay, let's do it like the food village factory does. And this old school style flour that. Okay. Oh, that smells good. Seems like we're really cooking that KFC after all. Yeah. Let's see what the Colonel has to say. KFC. With something start cooking. Let's drop it over here. Oh, there we go. Our famous KFC. Okay, guys, let's check out my good chicken, see what's popping. Baby frying. Oh my gosh, look at that golden brown. Look at that brown and that thing. Okay. I want to turn a little bit. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Chicken frying in a real life. Okay, this one the nibble can stay a little bit. Okay. Take on that golden brown. All the flavors. Juicy. Let's do some stepping, doing some jumping in the pot. There we go. My chicken looking all good. Frying the KFC chicken. Popping in BlakeWrTv kitchen. You know what time it is. Yo. Guess what? Our KFC chicken is finished. We was in the kitchen cooking for a long time, guys. And this is what our KFC chicken looks like. Guys, don't these things delicious? Alright, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and try them, right? Get some huge drumstick. Alright, which one should I try? Let's try the small one. What do you think? It's good? Yep. The kernel is in it. Delicious. Oh. This thing is delicious. Yes, guys, this is my homemade KFC chicken. Delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, keep on watching, more video coming.